Welcome to today's tutorial on how to create animated cartoon videos with Canva. It's simple, easy, and fun. First, head over to canva.com and click on the video option. Once you're in, let's pick a background for our cartoon scene. Click on Elements and browse through Graphics. For instance, let's choose a cozy coffee bar scene. Now, let's add some characters. Type in man and coffee to find a suitable image. Perfect. He'll be our barista enjoying a cup before work. Time to create some scenes. Click on Add a frame. Let's move to a park scene. Search for park and insert an image. Then, let's add a skater to the park. Duplicate the frame and adjust the skater's position for movement. Apply the match and move transition to animate the skater smoothly. Next, let's switch to a cozy living room scene. Add some furniture and perhaps an animated pet for extra charm. Enhance your video with transitions. Click on Add Transition and select from various options. For example, try the color wipe transition between scenes. You can customize transitions too. Adjust colors or try different transition effects to match your style. And now, it's time to export your masterpiece. Click on Share, then Download. And there you have it. Your animated cartoon video is ready to be shared with the world. Creating animated videos in Canva is not just easy, it's also incredibly fun and versatile. So, unleash your creativity and start animating today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more design tips and tricks. Until next time, happy designing!